Good afternoon, my dear students. Now we will see derivation of load vector for beams due to UDL. UDL means uniformly distributed load. So this is a beam diagram. So beam is subjected to uniformly distributed load. So Newton, P naught Newton per meter is the load, and we know that for beams there are two degrees of freedom. One is the vertical displacement, and another one is the slope or rotational displacement. So V1, and here it is V2, and here it is theta 2. So 2 degrees of freedom for two nodes, and this is at natural coordinate system, the value of zeta at three different points. So here first thing is we will write about the work potential. So work potential is given by LE P naught V into dx. So V is nothing but H into Q. So H is Hermite shape function and Q is the displacement. So H value, we know what is H value. H is equal to H1 LE by 2 H2, then H3 LE by 2 H4. And what is Q? Q is V1 theta 1 V2 theta 2 T. So substituting these values here, we can write WP is equal to LE P naught H Q into Tx. So here what we will do is we will take out the value of Q. Okay. So dx, first of all we need to know about dx is equal to LE by 2 into T zeta. So substitute in this above equation. So work potential will become LE P naught H Q into dx is nothing but LE by d zeta, right? So this is what we have arrived here. So here we can take here Q as common. Take Q as common and apply the limits of LE minus 1 to plus 1 P naught LE by 2 H into d xi, or this is nothing but Q into T. We can call this complete as T. Okay. So this much I hope you have understood. So next is we have to find out the value of T here. Okay. To find the value of TE, what I have written here is equal to, right? So minus 1 plus 1 P naught LE by 2 H into d xi. So here it's nothing but minus 1 plus 1 P naught LE by 2 into H1 LE by 2 H2 H3 LE by 2 into H4. This is Hermite shape function. So here we have to substitute the value of H1 H2 H3 H4. So H1 value is 2 minus 3 zeta base zeta cube by 4. This you need to remember. H2 value is 1 minus zeta square plus zeta cube by 4. H3 value is 2 plus 3 zeta minus zeta cube by 4, and H4 value is minus 1 minus zeta plus zeta square plus zeta cube by 4. These four value of H you need to remember, and here we are applying some conditions, that is minus 1 plus 1 C into d zeta is equal to 2C, and minus 1 plus 1 zeta into zeta is equal to minus 1 plus 1 zeta cube into d zeta is equal to 0, and minus 1 plus 1 zeta square d zeta is equal to 2 by 3. So these are the values we need to apply after substituting this value in this equation. So after substituting we will get the final equation as E is equal to P naught LE by 2 P naught LE square by 12, P naught LE by 2, and minus P naught LE square.